Well, we're getting ready for the big one. We got we got bottled water. We got food. Cats are very nervous. They're just kind of wandering around like they don't know what's going on. I think that animals sense when something's wrong. Um, so far, it's raining and the wind's up, but that's about it. Here it is, Monday morning, 9 o'clock. Excuse me, and we're we're hanging in there. My girlfriend Ginger and her cohorts have gone to Vegas. They left. Said we ain't gonna stay around for no hurricane. I said okay, but anything could happen. I'm from Texas. I've been through tornadoes, but this will be my first hurricane. So we'll see what happens. We'll keep you posted. Bye.